How to create your own SuperGodMode shortcuts folder on Windows 10 and 11. What you need. SuperGodMode works in Windows 10 and 11. Time required, 10 minutes. What is SuperGodMode? SuperGodMode is an advanced version of the traditional God mode in Windows, giving you easy access to almost all the configuration settings on your computer. By creating this special shortcuts folder, you'll have a centralized spot for accessing Windows' most powerful settings and tools. How to create the SuperGodMode shortcuts folder. Follow these simple steps to create your SuperGodMode folder and quickly access the powerful settings of your Windows PC. Step-by-step guide. Create a new folder. Right-click on your desktop or in any directory where you want the folder to be. Click New Folder. Rename the folder. Rename the folder to Mathematica. Copy code. SuperGodMode, ED7BA470854465E825C9971204301C. Press Enter to confirm. The folder icon will change, and it will be called SuperGodMode. Access all settings. Double-click the SuperGodMode folder to open it. You will now see a list of shortcuts to almost all the administrative, management, and settings tools available on your Windows PC. Why use SuperGodMode? Convenience. It centralizes all the settings and management tools in one place. Efficiency. No more searching through multiple menus to access specific settings. Full control. Provides access to over 200 options, from advanced user account settings to disk management tools. Tips for using SuperGodMode. Pin it to taskbar. For easy access, right-click the folder and select Pin to taskbar. Explore carefully. Some of the settings available in SuperGodMode are powerful and can impact your system's performance if misused. Be cautious. Conclusion. Creating your own SuperGodMode folder is a quick way to bring all of Windows' advanced settings to your fingertips. In just 10 minutes, you can set up this Super Shortcuts folder and gain direct access to essential configuration tools, making your Windows experience more efficient and productive.